Welcome to the Music and Sound Retailers Vnewsletter, the music products industry's first and only video newsletter. I'm Jill Nicolini. I hope everybody had a great Labor Day weekend to start September off right, and you're now settling into the busy school music season. Our friends at ADJ Products had a great DJ Expo this year, including a super hot pizza fest drawing thousands. D'Addario's initiated a multi-million-dollar modernization plan. Plus, Fred Gresh recently had a pretty amazing adventure in the land of the rising sun. So let's get started. DJ Expo held last month in Atlantic City was a huge success, drawing 6,387 DJs and over 90 exhibitors, the largest DJ show in the U.S. Also a big success was the ADJ Pizza Fest 2013 held during the show. Over 2,500 DJs and their friends turned out to enjoy piping hot pizza and a performance by DJ Kool. Hosted in the Xanadu Theater at Trump Taj Mahal, the party featured DJ Kool performing an hour-long set. Joining him on stage were Pizza Fest host Sparky B, DMC champion DJ Etronic, and some surprise walk-on guests. A dozen $50 gift certificates were giving away at the party. It was really cool. D'Addario is transitioning its Renaissance wire division from Oxford, Massachusetts to Farmingdale, New York. The multi-million-dollar modernization plan is scheduled for completion early next year. It includes relocation and re-engineering the entire process for producing high-carbon steel music wire. High-carbon steel is extremely difficult to manufacture and a critical component in the manufacturing of music strings. D'Addario is investing in extensive research and development to improve product quality and ensure its supply of fine raw materials for its string production. All right, don't go anywhere because new products are all coming up next.
Once again, PV Electronics revolutionizes the modeling amp industry, introducing the world's first variable instrument performance amplifier, the Viper VIP. The Viper VIP series contains innovative technology to create the most diverse and best-sounding modeling amplifiers available. Whether you are an electric, acoustic, or bass guitar player, you owe it to yourself to experience the PV Viper VIP series today.
This story is about a guy named Paul in Stevensville, Maryland. That's where PRS Guitars is located and where its namesake, Paul Reed Smith, is introducing the new S2 series of instruments. The S2 Mira, S2 Starla, and S2 Custom 24 offer the fit, feel, and attention to detail of PRS craftsmanship in a fresh, straightforward design. The S2 series is named for a second manufacturing line created inside PRS's Stevensville shop that blends new manufacturing techniques with practiced quality control and workmanship, making it possible to create these instruments at a new, lower price point. Yamaha's MGP32X and MGP24X analog mixing consoles have joined the MGP series. In addition to offering expanded mixing capacity with the addition of more channels, the new consoles add 3 new digital features: a USB device recording and playback, graphic EQ, and multi-band compressor. The consoles include newly developed discrete studio-grade Class AD pre-mic preamps. They employ an inverted Darlington circuit design, offering multiple circuitry elements, which delivers more power with lower impedance. The latest from III is super hot. It's a professional headphone called the TMA1 Studio Young Guru Edition. It suits any producer or sound engineer needing a durable reference headphone that delivers full clarity, detailed audio in the studio and on the road. The professional reference headphone centers on a signature sound design by Young Guru. It offers an accurate audio representation of a physical studio environment in a pair of headphones, whether you're producing, mixing, or engineering. After the break, we'll tell you about Fred Gresh's incredible adventure climbing to the summit of Mount Fuji. Plus, we've got the latest from USER, which recently moved to the Conn-Selmer campus.
There's a very artistic element to this show that you don't see really anyplace else, and that's what gives it the vibe of being so cool.
At the end of Thursday, it felt like a successful show. Yeah, the rest of this weekend has been almost the icing on the cake. It's been fantastic.
We've been approached by enthusiasts and owners, retailers from all over the world.
We've had a great buzz in the booth the entire weekend. The first day of the show, we wrote more business than we did the whole weekend last year. It's been a great show for us.
I don't see how we could miss it. I think it's absolutely a necessity.
But the most important thing is to meet people, meet retailers, meet manufacturers, meet distributors, and that's the great thing about NAMM, because NAMM is really the kickoff of the year.
Talk about the adventure of a lifetime. Recently, Fred and Dinah Gresh flew to Tokyo, Japan to celebrate 2 anniversaries. The first is the Gresh Company's 130th. The second is the 25th anniversary of Gresh's distribution partnership with the Kanda Shokai Company. The directors of Kanda Shokai arranged for them to take part in a journey to the top of the iconic Mount Fuji. Gresh embarked on a 6-hour climb to the summit. At an elevation of just over 12,000 feet, he displayed Gresh drum and guitar banners to commemorate his accomplishment and celebrate the double anniversary. Now that's very cool. Following up on last month's story about Muser celebrating its 65th anniversary, Muser settling in well to its new home at the Conn-Selmer campus. The campus is located in Elkhart, Indiana. Full production started the week of August 18th, and according to plant manager Perry Richards, the Muser consolidation from LaGrange, Illinois to Elkhart was no easy task. He said, quote, "A move of this size takes careful planning, intense focus on training, considerable time, and a lot of attention to detail. Our team has really done an outstanding job in each of these areas. Clearly, the Muser sound is in good hands." I feel the earth move under my feet, and it's all because of the Arpanoid from Earthquaker Devices. It's the first dedicated compact polyphonic pitch arpeggiator effect pedal for electric guitar. With 8 expandable modes, the Arpanoid will work on complex chords as well as single notes in any key. The modes include 1 octave down through the root, root through 1 octave up, 1 octave down through 1 octave up, and random mode in both major and minor keys. Whew, that was a mouthful. Galaxy Audio aimed for the stars with its new CTS wireless mics. The series offers 920 selectable frequencies, selectable RF output on both the handheld and body pack, and auto scan to find an open frequency. Plus, the series boasts IR sync to automatically synchronize the transmitter with the receiver. The HH85 handheld microphone features a magnesium alloy chassis for better durability. The MBP85 body pack transmitter's sturdy construction readies it to take the wear and tear of daily use. Beam me up, Scotty! Chauvet's DJ's beam bar and beam shot fixtures emit sharp beams and create eye-catching aerial effects when combined with haze or fog. Beam bar is a linear effect light fitted with 5 individual pods housing a single white 6-watt LED in each pod. It produces thick columns of light by projecting intense, narrow beams and features full pixel control for increased effects. Beam shot's also powered by a white 6-watt LED. After the color of the beam by using the 4 included gels. We'll be right back with our top story. This month's issue of The Retailer has a cover story that you just can't miss. We're going to tell you all about that, so please stay tuned.
Hi, I'm Yul Jabara, CEO of Galaxy Audio. Our family business has grown into much more than hotspots. This year we celebrate our 35th anniversary. Check out our very popular lightweight headset mics, wireless microphones, and wireless personal monitors.
This month, the editorial team from the Music and Sound Retailer is really excited to share one of our signature annual stories with you. I'm talking, of course, about the Independent Retailer Roundtable, now in its 8th year. No other story from any other publication or media outlet gives you more insight into how independent music retailers are thinking and how they're faring. This year, our participants are Marion Holloway of Holloway's Music, Louise Mullins of Mazik Music, Will Bergen of Guitars, etc., and Keith Moorhead of ATD Guitars. Read their thoughts in this month's issue of The Retailer. It's hitting your mailboxes right now. And that wraps up Vnewsletter for now, but please keep an eye on your inboxes though, because we'll be back with you in just 2 weeks. Till then, I'm Jill Nicolini, and as always, we thank you for watching.